In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change paragraph spacing on Squarespace. If you've ever wanted to adjust how your paragraphs look to make your text more readable and visually appealing on your Squarespace website, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you through a simple process, ensuring your paragraph spacing matches your style and brand. First things first, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. If you're not already logged in, head over to the Squarespace website and click on the login button. For many users, the simplest way to access their account is to choose Continue with Google. This way you won't have to remember a separate password, and it streamlines the login process if you're already signed into Google on your device. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your websites. Simply click on the site you want to adjust. This will direct you to its dashboard where all the management options for your website are located. Now, you want to head to the Styles menu. This is where the magic happens when it comes to customizing the appearance of your site. When you're in the Styles section, look for an option labeled Fonts. Click on the arrow next to it to expand the menu. You'll find yourself in the font settings area, which controls various aspects of the typography on your site, including body text styles. Now, within this fonts menu, look for an option labeled Paragraphs. Clicking on this will bring up the paragraph specific styles. Here you can adjust fundamental text properties such as letter spacing and line height. Letter spacing adjusts the horizontal spacing between characters, while line height changes the vertical spacing between lines of text, affecting how dense or airy your paragraphs look. You can experiment with these settings until you find a combination that enhances the readability and overall aesthetics of your text. After you're satisfied with your adjustments and you've got the line height and letter spacing just right, it's crucial to save your changes. There should be a save button visible on your screen. Click this to ensure all your hard work isn't lost and your new settings apply to your site. And that's it, you've successfully changed the paragraph spacing on your Squarespace site. As you can see, with just a few clicks, you can dramatically improve how your content looks on your website. Remember, you can always revisit and tweak these settings whenever you need to make further adjustments. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helped enhance your Squarespace site.